Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch to a Samsung S24 Ultra. Unfortunately, it's important to understand that Apple Watches are specifically designed to work exclusively with Apple's iPhone ecosystem. This means that directly connecting an Apple Watch to an Android smartphone, like your Samsung S24 Ultra, is not possible due to fundamental software and hardware incompatibilities. There is no official method or workaround to achieve this pairing. The core reason for this incompatibility lies in Apple's proprietary watch OS, which requires an iPhone for initial setup, activation, and all subsequent data synchronization. Android's operating system simply lacks the necessary frameworks and applications to communicate with and manage an Apple Watch. Think of it as trying to run a Mac application on a Windows computer. The underlying systems are fundamentally different, preventing any direct interaction or functionality. Since direct connection isn't an option, if you own a Samsung S24 Ultra, your best course of action is to explore smartwatches specifically designed for the Android ecosystem. Excellent alternatives include the Samsung Galaxy Watch series, which offers seamless integration and a rich feature set with your phone. Other strong contenders are the Google Pixel Watch or various Garmin models, all providing full compatibility and a great user experience with Android devices. To summarize, an Apple Watch cannot be directly connected or utilized with a Samsung S24 Ultra or any other Android phone. The two platforms are fundamentally incompatible. Therefore, if you wish to enjoy the full benefits of a smartwatch with your Samsung S24 Ultra, you must select a device that is compatible with the Android operating system. Carefully research and choose an Android-friendly smartwatch that aligns with your needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.